Just going to show you a quick video of a thought I had on how to make a kydex holster that would fit on the back of my binocular harness. I'm not going to show you how to form the kydex and that. There's a lot of videos out there to show you how to do that, but I just use these Velcro straps that are made for doing, like, wrapping up your extension cords and so on. I use that through the webbing on the side to attach it to my bino harness. This side I didn't attach yet, but you get an idea of what I'm talking about, how it wraps around, goes through these panels on the side, and then when you wear the harness, the gun fits in nicely behind, so you can carry your binoculars and a pistol with you if you're going somewhere where you need the ability to do that.